Welcome back to the video of Trekking Tour Sapa. In this video, we will highlight the 14 most common mistakes when traveling to Sapa in December. Let's explore with Trekking Tour Sapa and find solutions to overcome them. Mistake 1. Neglecting travel permits. Some areas in Sapa may require special permits for tourists. Failing to obtain the necessary permits can lead to problems with authorities. Mistake 2. Underestimating crowds. December is a peak tourist season in Sapa. Not planning your itinerary to avoid crowds can result in less enjoyable experiences. Mistake 3. Ignoring local etiquette. Being mindful of local customs and being courteous to the indigenous people is important. Not doing so can lead to cultural misunderstandings. Mistake 4. Rushing your itinerary. Sapa is a place to relax and enjoy nature. Rushing through your itinerary may cause you to miss the tranquility and beauty of the region. Mistake 5. Overlooking altitude sickness. Altitude sickness can affect some travelers. Ignoring the symptoms and not taking necessary precautions can ruin your trip. Mistake 6. Not bringing proper hiking gear. Sapa offers excellent trekking opportunities. Not having the right gear, such as hiking boots and a comfortable backpack, can hinder your experience. Mistake 7. Being wasteful. Sapa's pristine environment should be treated with care. Littering and being wasteful with resources is disrespectful to the local ecosystem. Mistake 8. Bargaining excessively. While haggling is common in markets, being overly aggressive in negotiations can be disrespectful and unfriendly to local vendors. Mistake 9. Trusting unverified tour operators. Choosing tour operators without checking reviews and recommendations can lead to poor quality tours or scams. Mistake 10. Not bringing medications. Some travelers may need specific medications or medical supplies. Not packing these can be risky, especially when far from medical facilities. Mistake 11. Ignoring weather updates. Sapa's weather can be unpredictable. Failing to check weather updates before outdoor activities can lead to uncomfortable or dangerous situations. Mistake 12. Disregarding environmental impact. Avoid participating in activities that harm the environment, such as picking wildflowers or disturbing wildlife. Leave no trace and respect nature. Mistake 13. Neglecting proper trail research. Failing to research the difficulty and conditions of the trails can be a health and safety mistake. Some trails in Sapa are quite challenging, and not being prepared for the terrain, elevation changes, and length of the hike can lead to exhaustion, injuries, or getting lost. Mistake 14. Ignoring personal fitness levels. Underestimating the physical demands of trekking in Sapa can be a significant mistake. If you're not in good physical shape or have certain health conditions, pushing yourself too hard on the trails can lead to exhaustion, injuries, or altitude sickness. It's essential to assess your fitness level and choose treks that are suitable for your abilities to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. By avoiding these common mistakes and being well prepared, you can make the most of your trip to Sapa in December, enjoying its natural beauty and vibrant culture while ensuring your safety and well-being. Thank you for watching our video. If you find this video interesting and useful, don't forget to support us by clicking the like, share, and subscribe buttons. We are Trekking Tour Sapa, a team of local tour guides in Sapa with 100% ethnic minorities. We specialize in providing the best trekking and hiking tours. If you are planning to travel to Sapa but you do not know where to stay, where to go, and what to do, please contact us immediately via the information below for dedicated support and advice. Thank you.